Whoa, Bitcoin tanks after the SEC has rejected the spot Bitcoin ETF from Blackrock. You need to know this because this is a big deal. Check this out. Major drop on Bitcoin down to 29.5K on the news yesterday. What heck happened? Okay, we all know that the big news was that, as Pablo told you 2 weeks ago, that the world's largest hedge fund manager, BlackRock, is applying for Bitcoin ETF, and this is a big news. And that's why Bitcoin bounced straight from 24K to 30K. This was major bullish news. I told you guys about this 2 weeks ago. Now the US SEC, Securities Exchange Commission, are saying their filings are inadequate. So if it gets rejected, then that means the big bullish news isn't happening anymore. So that's why the market tumbled from 31K down to 29.5K in about an hour for Bitcoin. But however, there's more to this story. You see, inside my Discord, in Pablo's Discord on the 22nd of June, I had already told our members this was going to happen. The more likely that SEC will give a soft rejection on the approval process, right? And by soft, I mean, it'll probably say you need to hand in additional material, etc., etc., etc. It's not a hard no. And that's exactly what happened. As I predicted, the SEC basically told the exchanges that in return to filings, because they didn't name the spot Bitcoin exchange, which they're expected to have this surveillance sharing agreement. So it's just details they forgot to fill in. They're just reminding them you need to fill in these details. They're actually, you could say, even trying to help, right? Help BlackRock on what to do. They're giving them hints on how to get this across the line and approved. It's like the examiner is telling you, giving you hint, this is what you need to do to give the correct answer. They're not trying to reject BlackRock. They're trying to help BlackRock. And so far, the market is interpreting it that way. So we had a straight bounce from 29.5K back to 30.5K, and it's kind of holding that area for now. So the market still thinks that Bitcoin is going to get its ETF probably somewhere in August. So, of course, as you can see inside my Discord, I had already predicted this was going to happen because it's all part of the politics, right? They want BlackRock to look like it's making an effort, that it's not a straightforward deal, because so many other, Bitcoin ETFs has been rejected with other people applying. So now they want to look like it's not so easy for BlackRock, but they're going to get it approved sooner or later, right? Sometime in August, maybe a little bit later. And that's why we think this is actually looking quite good for Bitcoin. The only thing that can probably stop it right now is a recession. So what altcoins do you think will outperform if Bitcoin goes rallying a lot more from here? Let me know your answers and follow me. I'll give you mine in the next videos.